Lesson 8. My Toys. Listen and say. A boat. A kite. A teddy bear. A car. A doll. A boat. A kite. A teddy bear. A car. A doll.
Look at me. I have a boat. A big brown boat.
Look at me. I have a kite. A big blue kite.
Look at me. I have a car. A small red car.
Look at me. I have a doll. A small blue doll. A boat. A kite. A car. A doll. What fun toys! For girls and for boys. Look at the picture. Listen and circle. There is a boat in the picture. Yes. There are cars in the picture. No. There are kites in the picture. No. There is a doll in the picture. Yes. Check Mark's toys in red. Circle Carmen's toys in yellow.
Hello, I'm Mark. I have toys. A teddy bear. A car. A kite. Hello, I'm Carmen. I have toys too. I have a doll and a boat.
Listen and say. A train. A ball. A yo-yo. A jump rope. A train. A ball. A yo-yo. A jump rope. Read.
I have a train.
I don't have a train. I have a car. I have a kite.
I don't have a kite. I have a ball.
Listen and write. Look, I have a teddy bear.
I don't have a teddy bear. I have a yo-yo.
Do you have a kite? I have a blue kite. Make an X, then write. I have a yo-yo. I don't have a boat. I have a kite. I don't have a train. I have a doll. I don't have a ball. I have a jump rope. I don't have a doll. Listen, point and say, I have a ball. It's in the box. I have a teddy bear. It's on the box. I have a kite. It's under the box. Word bank. Ball. Boat. Car. Doll. Jump rope. Kite. Teddy bear. Train. Yo-yo. In. On. Under. Listen, point and say. S. Sad. T. 10. U. Up. V. Van. S. Sun. T. Top. U. Umbrella. V. Vet. Let's sing.
I have a teddy bear. You have a ball. I have a jump rope. You have a doll.
I have a car and you have a train. Let's play with toys together. I have a rabbit. You have a kite. Let's play with toys together.
I have a yo-yo. You have a boat. I have a turtle. You have a ball.
Look at the picture. Listen and write. 1. There's a cat on the chair. 2. There are 2 books in the bag. 3. There's a kite under the teddy bear. 4. There are 2 toys in the toy box. 5. There's a pencil under the desk. Thank you for learning with us. It's time to stop. See you next time with Lesson 9. Food.